Recording in progress.
If anyone will join, right, Arvind, you will see in the participants like they are waiting in the lobby. You need to click on admit. Okay, one or two persons only.
Okay.
Guys, in case if you disconnect and Arvind will not find you to admit, right? You just message me or call me. Okay, I'll
Yeah.
answer.
Okay. So I can see that there were materials created. Handle rod, cables, gear. Right. Okay. Let me just tell you. Okay, this thing. So it will be easy for you. So throughout your SAP journey, you will see. I mean, you will have to go through these tables. Okay. Ideally, whenever you do something in SAP or any software, all the transactions or anything, right, that you create as data in the system will be saved in the backend tables. Okay, everything will be saved in the backend tables. So you can just Google about table field, etc. That is generated across all the software. So I believe many of you know, even if you don't know, just try to explore little more about tables. Okay. So ideally, whenever anybody saves something in SAP system, it will go and store in the table. Okay. So using tables will be easier to find any data. Okay. So to enter into the table, the transaction code is SE16N. Okay. So SE16N. You understood this? Now everything will have a table name. Okay. So like for example, now for material master, we have MARE, which is master data. Okay. This is material master data. So I wanted to see on which date, uh, uh, yesterday and today, if any materials got created, right? So I'm choosing this created on field and giving the dates and just this is called as execute button, and you can use this button or you can press F8 on your keypad to execute any transaction. So now I can see that there are 12 materials which got created, which is really good. Good to know. Okay. Any questions about this table?
Arvind, can you please repeat that code one, SCN16, right?
You can see here. Whenever you're confused about the transaction code, you can see at the bottom of my screen. You can see it here.
Okay, 16N. Okay.
Nobody is waiting in the lobby. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now, so we created something yesterday, which is cycle underscore gear, I believe, right? So I'll just take this. So to see what is the material type, right? So you can, this is the material type. You, if you want to pull this here, just click on this field and pull it here. Is it? Okay. Now, if you pull it here, whatever you, for example, if you want to see what is the unit of pressure, okay, you can just pull it and keep it wherever you want. You just drag and drop, so you can see. Okay. Now we have. So if you want to sort, okay, based on something, now you can do it ascending or descending. Okay. Now if I do like this, you see some foot and ROH. Okay, materials. So I will take one foot, okay, and slash ONN03. This is already created. We have gone through the material yesterday. I'm just showing you again. Okay, this is the material master, basic data 1, 2, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, where we maintain the master data of the material. Okay, and the cost data. Work scheduling and then accounting and costing. Okay, so this is the material master. Now the next step, what we discussed yesterday was that we would like to create a bill of material, correct? So to create a bill of material, okay, I will go to /NCS01. Okay, this is a transaction code. If you want a transaction code, you can see it here, CS01. Okay, now I want to create the BOM for this material, but unfortunately I saw that we have a lot of part but not semi-finished, right? So semi-finished material type is HAL. Let me go /O is to open a new session, okay? Let me try. So this is a handle. This I want to put it as HAL. Okay. So using this transaction MMAM, so I will just show you again what I'm trying to do. I think somebody, whoever created this, PP6, right? So they created this as a finished good. Okay. So we thought that this is a semi-finished, correct? Differentiated in this Excel sheet. Yeah, handle assembly, we thought this is semi-finished. So this is a finished. Yeah, that's not an issue. We will change the material type. So yeah, I will. So I gave this material number and the new material type is HAL, right? The old material type will be automatically fetched. Then execute the transaction. Let's see if it works. So it is just giving a warning message. It is not error. Okay, if it gives you like this, okay, if it is not red in color, if the icon is not in red color, then it is warning and you can still hit enter and go ahead. It is asking in which plant you want to create, which validation. I will choose yes. Okay, now material type changed, correct? Now, does any, who is having the access now? Let me just see. Who is PP6? Who is having access? Hello, or anybody who is having access? I want you to directly do this, so you will be also having hands full of experience.